Hey guys, and welcome to KnitCrate. In today's video, we're going to go over the March KnitCrate. So it is in the same kind of packaging as it was last time. You can sign up for KnitCrate and get 20% off with our code down below. They've definitely gone down to just the two different crates. You can have a normal one or you can have a sock crate, one or the other. They don't do the artisanal one anymore, the artisan crate. They've finished with that, and I'm gonna open up our crate now, just because let's go quick, and it's different paper. Oh my goodness, it's not blue. They always go with blue. I've never seen them go with anything other than blue. This is pretty. But there's only one. Oh, so the rumors were true. They're going down to just the one skein. So this is rumbling around a bit. I'm gonna take everything out before I go crazy. There we go. So you saw the wrapping paper. It's definitely strange. There's some new stuff going on with this. It's a little bit different than usual, and I don't know how I feel about it. But there's definitely only one skein, which makes me feel like the value is not as high as it was before, where you would get two skeins for the price of one, essentially. So it was like $24.50 on average per skein. Oh, I just broke my thing. Knitologic by KnitCrate. This yarn is really pretty. It's like what weight is this? This is a 75% merino wool, 15% silk, 10% cashmere, fingering weight. So you could easily make some nice thick socks out of this. So this is almost like a sock crate. I've always wondered what the sock crates are like, because I've never gotten one of those before. 400 yards, that's a lot. Suggested needle size is 0 or 1 or 2.25 millimeter, 2 to 2.5. Care, hand wash only, lay flat to air dry, you know, normal, general, nice yarn stuff. This is really pretty. Yellow and blue and gray. I might make some socks out of this. I might. It's really pretty. Though I am really bummed that there's not two skeins of this. 400 yards is a lot. I know this will make a pair of socks, but at the same time, I'm used to getting two skeins, which I saw as, the coupon lady in me saw as a huge deal, because you were paying $24.50, essentially 24 something odd for a big box, and they give us a little bag. Is there anything in the bag? Negative. Nothing in the bag. Make something today. KnitCrate. That's actually kind of cute, but I don't know, other than just like a notions bag that you can put inside your purse, I don't really see this as a big deal thing. I'd understand if they went down to one skein and they gave you like a project with all the necessities. I see that a lot in knitting things. I'm not super excited about this month. I'm not gonna lie. It's beautiful and it feels beautiful, but it's just the fact that I know we're going from two skeins down to one, it kind of, without much more added to it, it just seems kind of not great. So alright, I'll put this here, and this is the patterns they usually give out. They usually do a knit, and they also do a crochet pattern. This one, it shows that they're doing a scarf and headband combo. I like the garter stitch. That's going to be a pain in the butt to knit though. So I'm going to try to do this without showing any of the, oh, that would have been so pretty. I like green. I always get blue. I don't know why I always get blue, like a bluish, tealish, whatever. They really like sending me blue, but I would have loved getting green. And this is like a subtle sparkle. Interesting. So this one's called Birdseed. It comes with, it's just a hat that they did. It looks like a seed stitch almost, I think it is. The yarn, the colors of a busy variegated yarn are scattered like seeds across the body of the simple beanie thanks to the cleverly applied slip stitches. So yeah, it's a seed stitch. It's a double seed stitch. Slipped double seed stitch. That's kind of cool. And then they also have knitting bonus. So they have a bonus pattern, which makes sense. The Penelope set. So that's the name of the pattern that we get for the hat and the scarf. I'm trying not to give away any of the pattern stuff. And then they have a shawl. So there's a bunch of knitting. No, that's crocheted. This is a crocheting. They have a bunch of knitting patterns, and they have a shawl that they did for the crochet pattern this month, which is interesting. I've never actually crocheted with a fingering weight. Crochet bonus. So they did a bonus pattern for this month. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is gorgeous. I love that. And then they show pop-up shop. They show this really pretty shawl. I like that shawl a lot. Looks like a honeycomb stitch on the bottom. There's still more to this pamphlet. Oh, it's the sparkly for the green. That's absolutely stunning. I love that pattern. Treeometry. Pine trees. Oh, so it is. It's made, the cabling looks like trees. Clever. And there's a chart. There's a lot of stuff there. Sock pop-up preview. Oh, do they do pop-up like previews of what the next month is gonna be? Sock pop-up previews. Or is this just what's in the store? Done roving returns with an ultra bouncy sock. Yarn retreat for the KnitCrate pop-up shop in March. Okay, so it's a pop-up shop on their thing. And then there's this other one, which is really pretty too. Alright, so that's pretty much, they do have a featured thing there, but there's really not much to this crate this month, and I'm kind of, not super on board. I know it's probably me being picky, but that's just me. I'm used to what it used to be, and I liked what it used to be. So we'll see. We'll see what next month holds and see if anything changes, or if they send, like, knitting needles or more notions. I feel like notions would be a way to make up for the fact that they're only sending one skein, because I like getting notions, because I always find a random need that you have when you're doing a project and you see, oh, I have a notion for that. That would make this so much easier. I do enjoy that. So that's pretty much all there is to this review. I'm not super on board, but I do think the yarn is very pretty. It is gorgeous yarn. I just am a little salty that I'm not getting 2 skeins this month, so that's probably where most of the not so great review there is. So stay tuned for next week, where I'm going to be posting the updated thing for my octopus pattern. I'm going to be turning him into a jellyfish, so stay tuned for that. Alright, until next time, guys. Bye!